Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have been working in this 2006, it's a Dethleffs, if you can pronounce it however you want to pronounce it. It's a Dethleffs, German make, and it's the Esprit Globetrotter. So 2006, it is the pre-facelift just before 2006-2007 when the Fiat Ducato X250 came out. So this is the model just before, so when we do pan round, show you the dashboard, you'll recognize that from the older style vehicle. Big tag axle motorhome, so that's 2 wheels at the back, 2 at the front, so 6-wheeler, and you've got a large rear bedroom, kitchen area which is really functional, and then of course a nice comfortable lounge. Now the reason why we're doing this video is because we have done our very popular smart 5G compact Pro Wi-Fi system. It's all hidden away inside here. Now this area is quite commonplace in a lot of motorhomes. So once you open up this little cubby hole, in behind it is the TV. Now we haven't touched the TV or anything like that. The TV and the sound bar were already previously fitted, but what we're going to do is just show you, if we can, a little bit about what we've done to the Wi-Fi system behind. Right, so I've moved the TV out the way just to show you a little bit about what we have done in this vehicle. So top right hand corner you can see the white roof mounted antenna, which will appear up on your screen now. That's been drilled down through and connects to the Smart G 5G Compact Pro Wi-Fi system. I've just turned the leisure battery supply on, so you'll see a little blue light underneath here, which is your main isolator switch, which we can turn off and on. And then this system here, there's a little button that you can press and hold. Once you've pressed and held the on-off button, the system will then power up, and once it's powered up here, you can go through its usual settings or boot up sequence. Now this particular machine doesn't have a SIM card in there as yet, so when the customer comes to collect, we will either give him the standard SIM card that comes with it, or he might even bring his own SIM card ready for us to pop in and test. Also up on the screen you'll get a little disclaimer, so we just scroll down here like so and accept and continue, and that turns on the Wi-Fi and gives you your SSID and password ready for connect. Now we've had to work around other stuff that was fitted in here, i.e. the Falcon TV antenna that was retrofitted, and we've done it as neat as possible so that it is functional and all accessible. So this is the smart 5G compact Wi-Fi system with external antenna in white, now going to give this customer some Wi-Fi whilst they're on the move.